So today let's see that how you can hide your Instagram followers, and for doing so you first of all have to open up your app store if you are on iPhone, and if you are on Android you have to open up your Play Store, and after that go to search, and this is the first step. Keep in mind, in order to make this trick work, if you don't do this step, this may not gonna work for you. So open up the App Store or Play Store and type in here Instagram. After that, go to your Instagram app and make sure that there is not any pending update. If you have any pending update of Instagram, this may not work for you. So you first of all have to update your Instagram app. So after updating your Instagram app, you have to open up the Instagram in order to hide your followers or followings list. So if I go to the search button here and search a specific account like this one here, you can see all the posts and the followers of this account are visible. If I tap on the followers list, I can do so, and if I go to following, I can also see the followings of this account. Now let's open up this account and see that how can we hide it. So I am on that account. Now in order to hide your followers or followings list, you have to go to your profile by tapping on the button in the bottom right corner of your screen. And after that, tap on the three lines available in the top right corner of the screen, and the very first option leading all of this list is settings. So hop into settings, and you will see the fourth option in this list is privacy. So if you tap on the button of privacy here, you will see the very first option in this list is private account. So if I try to turn this button on from here, I will be popped up with this problem. So let's first solve this issue, which is prompting. If I press OK and go back, then scroll down, and the third last option in this list is account. So you gotta tap on account and scroll down again to the end. The second last option in this list is switch account type. So if you tap on switch account type, again the first option you get in this list is switch to personal account. So you have to tap on switch to personal account and confirm switching to the personal account. So let me confirm it, and after that you gotta wait for almost 5 to 10 seconds and it will be switched. So as you can see, this confirmation here switched to personal account. After that, scroll up again. Now again let's go to the privacy option, which is the third option in this list. So go to privacy and now try to turn this option on which says private account. So let's turn this button on and confirm switching to the private account. So tap switch to private. Now all of your followers and followings list has been hidden. And if I go back to that account for showing you, let me search that account again, and let's open up this account here. And if I reload this page, you can see, I can see the indication this account is private. Now I'm not able to see his posts or any of the activity he is doing on his account. And if I try to tap on the followers list, I'm not able to see it, nor I'm able to see the following list by tapping on it. So that's how you hide your followers and following lists. Now if you want to hide your followers or followings from every person around there on Instagram, I mean you want not even your followers to see your followers and following list, and you want to hide all of the followers from them, keep in mind that you can't do so up to the day. There is not a single way on the earth to hide your followers or followings from everybody around there on Instagram. So stop wasting your time on those useless tutorials if you are looking to hide your followers from, not from the strangers, but your own followers. So if you have any of the questions, let me know in the comments. I provide the quick solutions just like this regarding social media, so consider subscribing. See you in the next video. Thank you so much.